install containerd. For that, we are setting up the networks. Now it's time to execute kernel parameters for Kubernetes cluster. Even this file doesn't exist now on our machine. There is no file. We can do with the help of VA editor, or you can just copy paste this. It will create a file. It will update these 3 records, and these 3 records related to network related parameters. Now there is a file. Previously there was no file. Now file got created. File has this information. Since the file is available, you need to do a reload. Why? We created a configuration file which is related to Kubernetes, and we added network adapters. So that need to be synchronized with the help of systemctl command. Sysctl command. We are synchronized. Then it's a time to install containerized workload. On your Kubernetes, on your EC2 instance, you must install container engine. Before that, you must install prerequisites for containers. Here is a prerequisite. Curl command, GNU PG2, software properties, transport HTTP, CA certificates. These are the 3 prerequisites you are going to install on this machine. Once the prerequisites are completed for the containerd, now we are enabling the Docker registry for apt command. For apt command, you must add a signature. After adding the signature, you must add the URL to the apt repository. Then only you can install container software. So to do that, you need to add this signature using curl command. Once the signature is added, you need to add the URL. Download.docker.com URL, you need to add it to the apt repository. Hit enter. Once the URL is added to the apt repository, you must do update command. Why? URL has been added, so handshake is needed. Then it's a time to install containerization workload, and this software will be downloading from this location. So before we download, we updated that information to apt command. From this URL, it is downloading and it is successfully installed. You can verify whether it is running or not. You can verify in 2 different ways. One is you can check with the containerd, or you can check with the dockerd. Now it is not coming with the dockerd. Anyway, containerd is from the Docker itself. So containerd is available. Now it's a time to configure containerd in terms of systemd as CG group. This is important for the container to run. So for that, you need to execute this command. Then one more supporting command. Nothing but what we are doing in this command is we are looking for this particular string in this particular file and has a value called false. We are converting to true. Even instead of executing this command, what you can do is you can just execute this command.